Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As temperature is already hovering near 40 degrees Celsius, so we are having with us an meteorologist from Punjab Agriculture University, Dr. P.K. Kingra. She is head of the meteorology department here, and we will try to know about the present weather condition and the forecast. So, ma'am, what is the present weather condition of the Ludhiana city and the entire Punjab region?
If we see the current temperature conditions, today's daytime temperature was observed to be 39 degrees centigrade, which is 6.4 degrees centigrade higher than normal. And today's nighttime temperature has been observed to be 22.8 degrees centigrade, which is 6.9 degrees centigrade higher than normal. So we can see that both day and night temperature, they are above normal by more than 6 degrees centigrade. And today's nighttime temperature 22.8 degrees centigrade. This is second highest nighttime temperature for 9th April since 1970. Earlier in 2004, we observed 24 degrees centigrade nighttime temperature on 9th April, and this 22.8 degrees centigrade, which is observed today, that is second highest since 1970. And
Like ma'am, you said that night temperatures has been recording second highest so far. What are the factors contributing to this unusual high temperatures?
there are many factors which are contributing towards this unusual rise in temperature. The major factor is absence of WD system. In March also there was very less rain, and so there were clear sky conditions. These days also there are clear sky conditions. There is no development of system, so that is the major contributor, because due to that there is intense heat during daytime under clear sky conditions, so that increases the temperature. And secondly, as the emissions of greenhouse gases, they are increasing in the atmosphere, so they are leading to warming, which we call as global warming. So that is also a reason for warming scenarios.
Is there any alert in the recent days about a heat wave or further temperature rise in temperature?
We are already observing higher temperature during day as well as night time, which are much higher than normal conditions. And for coming days, there is alert for heat wave up to 11th of April. 19th to 11th, IMD has predicted yellow alert for heat wave conditions. So heat wave conditions can intensify during coming 2 days.
As heat wave can intensify in coming 2 days, so is there any further chances of immediate relief also?
There is not prediction of heavy rain, but there can be some cloudiness or light rain, but that too in the northeastern districts of the state. Otherwise, at most of the places, heat wave conditions are likely to prevail.
This early rise in temperature, does this indicate about the intense summer we are going to witness now?
Yes, we are already witnessing intense summer. Like both temperatures, they are above normal by more than 6 degrees centigrade. So we can say that we are facing intense heat these days.
And what are your suggestions to the residents, like what they should adopt while during these summers?
Residents should avoid direct exposure, especially during peak hours, and then whenever they go out, they should be covered properly, and everyone should be properly hydrated. So liquid intake should be increased to avoid the heat stress.
And what about the agriculture? What kind of impact this heat can have on the crops?
Most of the rabi crops, they have already matured and harvesting is going on, but still some fruit or vegetable crops, they are in the field. So for those crops, there should be proper monitoring by the farmers, and whenever they find any stress, they should go for light irrigation to the crop.
So she was Dr. P.K. Kingra, head of the meteorology department here at Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. According to her, there is alert of heat wave for next 2 days. The temperature can rise further in next 2 days, and there are, although there is no alert for the immediate relief, although there are chances of cloudy weather, but no chances of heavy rainfall in the coming days. She suggested that the people should avoid getting direct exposure to the sunlight during peak hours. So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us, follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.